Welcome back to my new video. Today I'm share a brand new 50 plus YouTube thumbnail PSD. Yes, you have right, 50 plus YouTube thumbnail PSD, and it's going to absolutely free of cost. You can download it, link in description. So there is a PSD review. Watch. I hope you like it, the PSD pack. So how we can use this PSD for your YouTube video? First, open your Photoshop and import any one PSD. So I'm choosing this one PSD. Open it and click on this image. Double click on layer. The pop-up window is open. Just replace this image with your favorite image. I am liking this. Drag and drop this image and just resize it. The image with your frame size, resizing it little bit. This is so perfect for me. And hide this black image and cross. Yes, this one is your YouTube thumbnail is ready. Now you can change the text, anybody you want, any text, the subscribe, rate, discount, followers, everything is custom. Okay, thank you so much for this video. Give like, subscribe and share.